Good morning, students. Welcome to the next session of your online computer session for class 3. In the previous class, we had completed up to chapter number 5. The chapter 5 was based on keyboard, where you were being taught about or being provided about information regarding the traditional keyboard, hardware, input device which is being connected to your computer. We studied about the different keys and the purpose of those keys or the working of those keys in your day-to-day computer work style. In today's topic or in today's class, I'll be teaching you or will be starting with now the next chapter, that is chapter number 6, Introduction to LibreOffice Writer. Before starting with the topic, I want to inform that LibreOffice Writer comes under text editor applications. What is a text editor? A text editor is an application, is a program which helps you to edit or format your text. Okay, for just an example, I write this A P P L E, apple, a normal apple, normal font style, normal way of presenting your text. And how about this? The same word, if I write like this, and let's say if I write like this with some other color, which will be attractive for you? This one, the normal one, or the edited one? Yes, of course, most of the people will like this. So similarly, computer also provides you such programs which helps you to edit your text, to change its presentation, its appearance in such a manner that it look attractive, representable and more appealing to the reader. So such editing process is also to be learned by the student. In computer or in our soft operating language, we discuss about two main types of operating system. One is Windows, which normally we find everywhere, and the next is your Ubuntu software. So here I just want to clarify this, that in book it's based on Ubuntu's operating system, and in Ubuntu operating system or open source operating system, we have LibreOffice Text Writer as text editor program. That is, in your book, the chapter is based on Ubuntu operating system, in which LibreOffice Writer is the name of the text editor which will help you to edit or format a given text. But in my laptop, because as you know, right now we are not coming to the school, so I am taking this class on my laptop. Unfortunately, my laptop has the operating system Windows. And in Windows, the name of the text editor is MS Office. So what I'm going to try to explain to you, that is, we will be studying, we will be learning the basics, the concept of LibreOffice Writer from the book. For the practical explanation of those topics, to explain you practically, we will be taking it on MS Office. Don't worry about it. The concept, the tools, the window screen which appears is almost the same. What is the difference? The difference is only on the basis of your operating systems. So, we will be conducting the topics from your book, we'll be reading them from the book, understanding them from the book. For practical explanation, I'll be switching on to Windows MS Office. As soon as the school gets reopened, your computer labs, school computer labs are being designed and being installed with Ubuntu operating system for your enough practical sessions. Till then, please cooperate and try it on Windows MS Office. So, as we were talking about that the text editor application is a program which helps you to edit, format your text, which makes or changes its appearance. In same concept, the topics that we will be covering up today's session, the topics that we will be covering up in today's session will be that how you will start LibreOffice Writer. If any application or program is to be used, it's to be accessed, you have to open it, or you can say you have to start it. So I will tell you how you can open up the LibreOffice Writer. Then once you will open it up, normally what happens when we open any application, a window screen gets open. So similarly, when you will open up the LibreOffice Writer, similarly window will get open up, and which will have a title bar. This session or this section is being used to show the name of the file or the program or the document on which you are working or you have created. So this title bar shows the name of the file. Then you will have another menu or the toolbar section, which will be your standard toolbar, which contains the different required tools like changing the font size, changing font color, applying tables, okay, changing its view. So these tools will be available on your standard toolbar. Then we have a formatting toolbar. That is, the tools which you oftenly require are inside the menu also, but still they are provided on the main screen for your shortcut so that you can use it in quite a short time. Okay, then we have your rulers. When we are writing something, we require rulers so that it should be aligned properly. Okay, it should not be in an irregular alignment. It should be properly aligned, like in your book. The paragraphs which are being mentioned are properly aligned. No line is coming less or more. They all are starting on a same point and ending at the same point. So alignment is required, which is being maintained or controlled by the rulers. Then we have a document area. This is the general area where you type. This is the area where we type. Okay. Then we have the scroll bars. One is your horizontal scroll bar, and the another is your vertical scroll bar to scroll your paper or the page left and right, up and down. So this is just what do we say? This is just example or a brief idea of how the screen or the window will look like once you will start LibreOffice Writer. How the screen or the computer screen will be covered up with this screen, and what are the different components. We will say that these are the components of LibreOffice. What you will see, you will have a title bar, standard toolbar, formatting toolbar. What are these? We will all study, we will all discuss in upcoming video session. Okay, then we will be, once we have opened it up, we have started the LibreOffice. Once we will start this, then how we can create a new document. Once we have created any work or once we have started something, it's required to be saved. So you will be learning how you will save a document, and obviously whatever you have started, you have to close it also. So you will be also learning how you can close closing a document. So these topics will be covered in today's upcoming videos. I hope that I have described you properly. And regarding the practical part, we will be covering it on MS Word. It is the same, the menus and the commands, or you can see the tools which you will be having in LibreOffice as well as MS Word. They are both same, but due to non-availability of the operating system on my laptop, I will be giving that practical session on MS Word. So let's watch the upcoming videos for today. Thank you, and let's move.